In 2020 alone, millions of people spent more than $386 billion on Amazon. Now that's a good box of money that you can be a part of. And to get a cut of that revenue, all you have to do is join and implement affiliate offers from Amazon on your own website. In today's video, we'll be sharing tips on how to dominate Amazon affiliate marketing on Shopify and make good cash. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now, you may be wondering to yourself, how can I take advantage of such a large, well-known market? Well, let's start from the very basics. What is the Amazon Affiliate Program? The Amazon Affiliate Program, or Amazon Associates, is an affiliate marketing program that helps you monetize your website or blog. All you have to do is simply sign up, receive immediate approval, and place Amazon affiliate links on your website. When someone makes an Amazon purchase via one of your links, you get the commission. It's that simple. As an Amazon affiliate, you can eventually earn on average from $100 to $20,000 from the Amazon Affiliate Program, depending on how many referrals you generate for Amazon. How, you ask? Well, the Amazon Affiliate Program operates on a commission basis, meaning that you'll make a percentage per sale. Naturally, the commission rate differs depending on the product category. For instance, if you run an automotive blog, you can earn 4.5% from each sale. If you sell 3 car parts at $1,000 each in one day, you'd make $135 from those 3 transactions. And if you sell the same product 30 times per month, you'd make $1,350 every single month. You should know that Amazon Associates only earn a commission when the order has shipped. So if the customer cancels the order before it's shipped, you won't receive a commission. Plus, if the customer returns the product after the purchase, the commission will be deducted from your earnings. Another important thing to note about the Amazon Affiliate Program is that after applying, your account will be approved for 180 days. However, during that time, you must make at least 3 sales or your account will be closed. That is why it's so important to have a strategy for your Amazon affiliate endeavors. Fortunately, you can reapply for the Amazon Associate Program after you have enough traffic coming to your site. But make sure to keep watching this video till the end so you can rest assured that you don't need to reapply. Before we continue, just in case you're still not sure that affiliate marketing is for you, well, hold still and let me clear that up for you. If you already own a website or a blog and your content offers opportunities for product mentions, then congratulations! You're a perfect fit for affiliate marketing. Let's say, for example, that you own a hair care blog. That's a fantastic asset to have. With each blog post, you can link to all kinds of hair care related products. So each time someone uses your link to buy a product on your blog, you make money. That said though, affiliate marketing might not be the best fit for you if you sell products directly on your website. But then again, you can use a mixture of selling your own products and Amazon affiliate links to earn money. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing is and what the Amazon Affiliate Program entails, let's look at how it works and how you can get started. Here's a summarized rundown of how it works. Website owners create an Amazon affiliate account on the platform. Amazon gives each website owner a unique associate ID. Once the application has been approved, associates can begin creating affiliate links in their Amazon portal. Associates then place those links in the blog posts or other parts of their websites, and once someone clicks the link and makes a purchase, the associate earns a commission. It's important to bear in mind when creating your links that Amazon offers 3 ways to add product links and ads on your website: text links, banners, and native shopping ads. Let's take a look at each of them so that you can determine which one works best for you. Text links. This is by far the most effective way to refer a visitor to Amazon through your website content. According to Darren Rouse from Pro Blogger, who makes hundreds of thousands from the Amazon Affiliate Program, 99% of conversions come from text links. Here's how to get text links. After logging into your account, click on Product Links. This can be found under the Product Linking tab on the black bar. Next, search for the item you want to link. Having found it, click the Get Link button to the right of the item. Copy the HTML code in the box under Get HTML code for this product link. Paste the HTML code into the preferred section of your website. Banners. The easiest way to get a link on your site is by using a banner ad. However, it's been proven not to be the most effective way to generate sales, unlike text links. Still, if you want to try it, here's how to get banner links. After logging into your account on affiliate-program.amazon.com, click on Banners. Scroll down and select the category that you would like to get a banner for. You can choose which size banner you want by clicking on the size below the category you selected. Or you can scroll through the list to find the one you want. Copy the HTML code below the banner you want and paste it into the code for your website. Native shopping ads. Native ads are also not the most effective way of collecting sales and commission. They look beautiful, but they don't convert as well as text links. You get fewer clicks because they look like an ad, rather than being a part of your blog post. Here is how to get native ad links if you want to try it anyway. After logging into your account on affiliate-program.amazon.com, click on Native Shopping Ads. Choose which type of native shopping ad you'd like by clicking on Create Ad Unit and selecting from the following: recommendation ads, search ads, or custom ads. Select the categories of items that you'd like to have in your ads, as well as the fallback. Copy the HTML code and paste it into the code on your website. Now that we've gotten all of the basics out of the way, let's talk about what you need to do to make the money. Okay, so you've applied to be an Amazon associate, and you've connected the Amazon Shopify app to your Shopify store. What next? It isn't enough to have your store exist. To make the Amazon affiliate program work, you'll need to strategize. Let's look at some tips and strategies for boosting your affiliate income and building a stream of passive income. Find a niche that works for you. As with any brand strategy, for customers to buy from you, they need to know that you're what they need, and you can achieve that by establishing yourself in a niche. A niche is a segment of the larger market defined by its own needs and knowledge. By establishing yourself in a niche, you become an authority in that space as an affiliate marketer. We'll go into more detail on this in our free training in the link in the description below. Create original content on different platforms. As an online entrepreneur, you already know the value of original content. You also know that it helps you stand out, build credibility, and foster trust with followers, which are all things you need for successful affiliate marketing. But more than creating original content, you also want to distribute content across multiple platforms, especially when you consider the fact that multi-channel customers spend 2 to 5 times more than single-channel customers. Optimize for specific products. Most traffic to affiliate websites comes from product-related searches or searches for reviews of specific products. So, use long-tail terms and use the exact keyword in your URL. For example, if you're writing a review of a certain appliance, include the product's brand and model number, such as review of Amazon Basics hard side spinner luggage 28-inch, both in the title and the URL if you can. That way, it is optimized for search engines like Google. Create a storefront on your website. You really don't have to only rely on editorial mentions to drive referrals to Amazon. You can actually create a storefront that acts like an online store if that works better for you. The only difference is that every link points to Amazon instead of a checkout page on your website. Storefronts are a great choice because they require minimal upkeep and content writing. Once visitors get to your site, it'll be simple and easy for them to browse through the products. Another benefit is that the links aren't buried within other content. The one thing you will need to do is check the links on a monthly basis to ensure your storefront drives referrals. Sometimes product pages move, or products are removed entirely from Amazon. So you want to make sure that every product is still available on the retailer's website. Now that you've created a strong strategy for getting your Amazon affiliate website off the ground, it's time to get paid. Let's look at how Amazon associates get paid. Amazon associates get paid by direct deposit. Once it's time for you to receive your payment, you'll automatically receive the funds in your bank account, although you can opt to receive an Amazon gift card or a check by mail. The payment is made monthly, but there's a catch. You get paid 60 days after the end of the month you're getting paid for. For instance, you'll get paid at the end of March for the commission that you earned in January. And that's all you need to know to take advantage of the Amazon affiliate program. Entering the world of affiliate marketing is easy and free with the help of the Amazon Associates or Affiliate Program. All it takes is a website, app, or YouTube channel, signing up to Amazon, and creating content that you can include affiliate links in. So whether you're hoping to become an entrepreneur, start your own business, or just looking for a small business side hustle, I hope you found this video a helpful place to start. Now, it is important to also bear in mind that at the beginning of your Amazon associate journey, the numbers can skew on the lower side. So be sure to have another form of income in addition to being an Amazon associate. With time and effort though, you're absolutely going to be making bank. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.